And it's a big relief for the makers of Jana Nayagan. Well, we're getting you some breaking news at this point in time as far as the Bangladesh Cricket Board is concerned, which has made we're getting you some breaking news at this point in time as far as Thalapathy Vijay's Jana Nayagan is concerned. Court has temporarily stayed a single judge's court order directing CBFC to grant a UA certificate. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time. It's not all clear for Vijay's Jana Nayagan yet, despite the Madras High Court's order directing the CBFC to issue a film certification for its release. The court has now temporarily stayed the single judge's order directing CBFC to grant UA certificate. Remember, the CBFC had moved court citing a writ petition, and now the court has temporarily stayed the single judge's order directing CBFC to grant UA certificate for Jana Nayagan. There has to be a longer stay, a longer wait for the fans of Thalapathy Vijay. This was his last film before he finally pivots into political space, taking up active politics and bidding a goodbye to his acting career. Vijay's movie Jana Nayagan has been in the eye of the storm, with the CBFC issuing several diktats. Despite the cuts that has been implemented, the CBFC has not granted the certificate yet. Now today it was the Madras High Court that had asked the CBFC and had ordered the CBFC rather to issue a UA certificate, but now the court has temporarily stayed the single judge's order directing CBFC to grant UA certificate. My colleague Thoya Jakshi is joining me on the phone line to get us more details. Thoya Jakshi, what does it mean as far as the fate of Jana Nayagan is concerned? It was set for a release on 10th January and now, of course, it's been stayed once again.
Well, of course, Samya, currently, it is the court has already given an order where now it is saying that further hearing, of the right appeal is being adjourned for January 21st, where CG has asked how can a single judge simply direct CBCF to produce records and pass orders without giving time to file a counter affidavit. CG Chief Justice also says that they will not allow a single judge's order to be given in this effect. So the Chief Justice has also stated that this hearing will be is being adjourned as of now, and the next hearing will be on Jan 21st. Till then, they have to make sure all the documents are kept ready.
Well, Thoya Jakshi, the Madras High Court was very clear where they asked CBFC that once this committee has specified certain areas of concern, certain excerpts that they wanted to be edited out, and that has been incorporated, there is no real reason for CBFC to withhold the certificate. They should issue the certificate forthwith and automatically so. So what does the CBFC have to say about it now? What is the area of concern? What is the area of objection now?
Yes, Samya, the Madras High Court Chief Justice bench heard this right appeal filed by the CBFC against a single judge's order favoring actor Vijay's Jana Nayagan, and strongly questioned the manner in which the relief had been granted. The senior law officers appearing for the CBFC argued that the right petition filed on January 6th was heard and decided that the same day without giving CBFC an opportunity to file a counter affidavit, and that the single judge went beyond the relief sought by quashing the CBFC's chairman's decision to refer the film to a revising committee.
Right.
It was also said that even though the decision was never challenged and the chairman had a right to do so, the Chief Justice criticized the creation of artificial urgency by the producer
and we have to wait and see whether at all Jana Nayagan is going to have a release date or not. But thank you, Thoya Jakshi, for getting us all those details.